Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys how to pair Bluetooth headphone to our Realme phone. Guys, you want to pair guys your Bluetooth headphone to your phone, so guys you can pair it. And guys, now let's see how to pair Bluetooth headphone to our Realme phone. Guys, in this video guys, I am going to show you friends how can you pair it. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you need my channel, so I first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to pair your Bluetooth headphone guys. Then guys click on your Bluetooth setting and guys on your headphones and guys on your Bluetooth. So guys device is ready to pair and guys refresh it. Then guys you can see your Bluetooth headphone name. So guys click on your Bluetooth headphone name. Then guys you can see it's pairing and guys you can see this pair up with this device. Guys yes, we want to pair, then it will pair. Then guys you can use your Bluetooth headphone while watching movies, cartoons, listening songs, whatever you want. So I hope friends you have understood how to pair Bluetooth headphone to our Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.